Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for May 14, 2020. Today is a interesting day. As you can see that yesterday, if you watch the YouTube yesterday, a lot of people talking about a head and shoulder pattern. This is the left side, this is the SBY. And yesterday, the market talked about head and shoulder pattern. If we break this trend line, and then we believe that the market will get down to this area. But on the video, I said usually the market is try to break down, it try to come back and retest, and they break down below this line here that the bearish at the beginning, but they never break this line in order to go lower. So when the market open, they slam it down, and a lot of people thinking that the bear they going to take over, so they everybody jump in and try to short the market. And after a lot of people jump in because they think that the market they going to go lower, the institution they will use all the money they have, and then they buy all the share that people try to short, and then they pump more money and slam them up and push it back up. Like I said, normally it's after they break down, you have to watch out because they come back, they will test the neckline, and then we will see where they go. Because if the market is stop right here, they will do ABC pattern here, and then it tomorrow that could be the interesting day. If the market will be able to break out on the 875 on the ES future, then you be the weather watch out because that will be the bear will be in fumble and the bull will take over and then they can put the market higher. So that's why you have to see, because a lot of people they thinking early in the morning, a lot of new coming out, 30% of US workforce is unemployment. So people thinking that in their mind, they think in the market is very negative, the economy in trouble, but the stock market do opposite. That's what people are thinking. The more you read the news, the more you watch the TV, the more your head will be getting dummy. So that's why everything out there, okay, you have to be watch out. Everything on the news is written by the people that have no technical analysis skill. So that's why you have to be extremely careful. The market do whatever they want to do. The price on the chart will tell you everything. If you understand how to read the chart, so you can uh, act accordingly to what the chart tells you. So that for the bigger time frame. Now, if I move to the smaller time frame for day trading, and in our live trading room in the morning, we know that the market is going to heading south, so we already draw the buy zone where the market we're heading to, so that they can stop and reverse. So after they hit to our buy zone, and we already tell if after this level before we close our live trading room, we know that the market going to rebound. We'll be able to pinpoint and we're able to set up the blue box here for the sell zone ahead of the time before the market move up there. And by the end of the day, the market move up there. So in the morning here, you can see it market open at 6:30. They push it back up and people jump right in. They slam them down to the buy zone over here. And then after that, the market break out a down trend line and then they pull back for the support. This is where you jump in. And then because the trend is changing, and you go right there and you put it back up, and then I'm jamming quick and make some quick money, and we call for day. So the net profit for today $2,061 for May 14, 2020. So that's how you take in the trade. Okay, so that's very important. As a day trader, you don't care whatever the market tell you. You just act accordingly. And by the end of the day, if you stay there, the market is still continue to push it back up and finish to the blue box here. So every day we define the sell zone, buy zone ahead of the time before the market move, so that the people in our live trading room they be aware where to enter and where to exit, so that they can make some money to add on the extra income they have. So this is one of the methods that we are teaching in Stock Navigator. We call day trade method, but we also have a swing trade method that you can buy stock and stay in the trade longer, so you can make more profit and you don't have to glue your eye on the screen every minute. So if you like what I'm doing here, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every day I have a new update. I will list it out there for you. And if you like to learn more on our strategy, our method, how to understand the chart, how to read the chart correctly, how to use a modern technical analysis to apply into your trading method, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.